Welcome to BVG Automotive. Here we present you the Mercedes-Benz GLA220 diesel AMG line in diamond white. This car is offering some great features such as the panoramic roof, beautiful two louvres, radiator grille in silver and chrome highlights, 19-inch titanium gray alloy wheels added as an extra, with high sheen finish and AMG 5-spoke design. The exterior also has a night package with black exterior styling. Walking you to the back and around the car, we have the reverse camera with parking guidelines and front and rear parking sensors, electric-powered tailgate, rain-sensing windscreen wipers, and electric folding wing mirrors. This Mercedes GLA is an automatic with 78,550 miles on the clock and has had only one owner from new. Additionally, you have Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, navigation, cruise control, and keyless start and stop. Visiting the interior, this car offers you part leather and part cloth fabric with red stitching, matching the multi-function, flat-bottomed, 3-spoke steering wheel in Napa leather. The front seats have heated seats and are electrically adjustable. To the center of the seats, you have a single cup holder at the front and twin cup holders at the back. This SUV is perfect for families with children also, as it's offering child-proof locks, ISOFIX, and top-tethered child seat fixing points, and a large compartment in the boot for a stroller, which we will show you shortly. Looking above, you have the panoramic sliding glass sunroof. The rear door has a one-touch button for easy opening. This GLA has more fantastic features. For more information, please visit our website, bvgautomotive.co.uk, or give us a call, referencing registration, PN16ZSL.